So, I am recording this again because I never hit record the first time. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today, I did something kind of amazing. So today guys, I am on a journey, I guess I would say, of wig wearing. I've been wearing a wig for the past couple of weeks just because I really don't really go out of the house, so I've been kind of keeping my hair in like braids and twists and stuff, and then when I do go out I wear a wig. I have this one wig that I've been wearing for so long, and it's like 2 years old, and I'll link it in the description box below. It is the Outre 4C Big Beautiful Hair Collection half wig. I've been wearing it for so long, I wear it all the time. And I was thinking, wow, maybe I should get more wigs since I've been wearing this one for so long. And then I thought of a video that I saw a year or two ago by Loveth Speaks, where she made curly clip-ins using braiding hair. And I was like, wow, that's like such a good idea. But I really don't like clip-ins because I just feel like the blending, like having to blend it into your hair to make it look natural, it's just a little bit too much for me. So I was like, what if I made a wig? I had a bunch of braiding hair left over from when I did a braided hairstyle in February, and so I was like, I'm gonna make a wig, and that's what I did today. So I used the Model Glance Formation braid. It comes with 4 in the pack. I think it was like $5, and I think I used like 1.5 packs from the packs that I had left over to make this wig. This is the wig that I made. I think it came out really good. So if you want to see how I made this wig, go ahead and keep watching. So I bought this wig cap, but I didn't buy a wig head, so I was gonna try to put it on this doll, but her head is like way too small. This is the wig cap I bought. This is what it looks like. Red, needle and thread. Here's how they look when they're done. I actually don't even have all of them done. I don't have all of them done because I'm not sure how many I'm gonna need. I'm just gonna do the ones that I have. Anyway, so I'm just gonna take, my head kind of hurts. I'm just gonna take one, I guess, and pull it up. Okay, so this is where it's gonna be. And then I'm gonna take, well, I'm gonna stab myself in the head. This is like not a good idea. Like in any way, shape, or form. Is this a good idea? So this is what it looks like so far. Inches. I look like Benjamin Franklin. Yeah. So if we're gonna do this, I definitely suggest getting a wig head because I definitely sewed the hair to my head multiple times. So when I say I sewed it to my head, I mean I sewed it to my hair. And it was also really hard to do this like with my arms up, and also I gave up on the method of going like around, and I took that out and I just started going like in straight lines. Because eventually, I think after the next two, I'm gonna start going like forward because I want bangs. But anyway, yeah, so this is my wig so far. Hey guys, so I'm back. I made more pieces and I caved in and I got myself a wig head. Yay. So I made 5 more pieces. As you can see, the spaces in between them are really wide, so I'm not sure if I might need to make more to fill in these pots, but I also had really wide spaces here in the back for the other ones that I was doing, and in my head, once I separate the curls, like these, I've started separating them, it'll cover the spaces. I don't know if that's actually true, but I started separating some of them to see. So I'm gonna go in and sew down my last 5 pieces, and I did pin them to the wig head. Now that I have a wig head, my life is so much easier. this is how the wig came out. As you can see, it's gorgeous. I really like it. I kind of want it in like every single color now. So I did end up having to take 2 rows out of the back of my wig to add to the front to cover up like bald spots that I had, because if you saw in the last clip, I had like these giant gaps, and I was like, oh, when I separate the curls it'll cover it up. It didn't cover it up, so I had to go back in and take 2 from the back and add them to the front, where I did kind of like a perpendicular like cross pattern. So I did one straight across like here, and then I did another one going from back to front, and that perfectly covered everything up. And honestly, it took a little bit more hair off of my neck, and you can't even really tell that it's like has less hair in the back or anything like that. So this is how the wig came out. Big shout out, definitely giant shout out to Loveth Speaks. Please go check out her channel. I will link it below. Her videos are just like innovative, and this would not have like happened without her. Like she really came through. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and leave a like, leave a comment, maybe subscribe if that's what you're into. If you didn't like the video, thank you for making this far, and you know what, leave a comment about why you didn't like this video, and I'll see you guys next time.